Jeff from 2X Garage. Well, you know what? This is part 2 of installing a Holley EFI sniper setup on my friend Eddie's 1972 Chevelle SS. As you saw yesterday, we changed the intake gaskets and we started installing what I call the hard parts. You know, stuff like the actual throttle body, the ignition box coil, do the fuel system and stuff like that. So where we're at tonight, Eddie had to go pick up some miscellaneous parts to make all this work. That's specific to his car. That's a mouthful. So we went and did that today. So tonight we're gonna get wiring on this, and if all goes well, maybe at the end of this, we might be able to fire it up. If not, we always got more time. What I should have said in yesterday's videos, this project with all these parts and all that, it does look like a lot, but in reality, it's really not. It comes with very detailed instructions, step by step, has all the parts you need, lays it all out. Actually, it's not that bad. I know when you start putting wiring in, it looks like a spaghetti mess, but you know what, guys? Once you start seeing the plugs where they go, it takes care of its own business. So with that, guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get started on part 2 of adding a modern touch to this vintage muscle. Kyle and Eddie are back there. They're ready to work. I showed up a little bit late, so we better get at it. See you soon. Well, that's part 2. We got everything wired up. There was one thing we actually missed when we did our initial first fire on this. We found out what we missed. Should have read the instructions a little bit more in depth. But the nice part about this is, right on the other side of this wall, there's a 68 GTO with the same setup. We were able to look at it, diagnose what was going on, quick fix. We still got to go in and get all the wiring cleaned up with that. As you can see, it runs, idles smooth, and it gets up to operating temperature fine. But we're going to call tonight because we're going to finish wiring all this up. We're going to set the timing a little bit more correctly, go in and tune a little bit more, and there'll be another video once that's done showing you guys how clean it looks, how well it runs, and how it operates. With that, guys, we'll see you tomorrow.